Introduction to the Internet. Well, what is the Internet? Well, one specific network technology classified as an overlay network is the Internet. Today, hardly an hour goes by without the use of it. It is something that is embedded into everyone's daily lives, but what is it? Consider some possible ways that you can define what the Internet is. Take a moment to pause this video to think about it, and when you're done, unpause it. In short, the Internet is a globally accessible series of interconnected computers and electronic devices. The Internet is a network of networks that enables communication and carries a vast range of information, resources, and services, such as email, web pages, databases, and file transfers. The Internet was first created by the Department of Defense in the United States to communicate and send information across distances quickly. The original Internet was called the ARPANET and came about in 1971. Below is a picture showing the hosts or individual networks that existed and how they were connected to one another. Notice how limited connections were at the time. For example, while Stanford, which is right here, could connect to UCLA, they could not connect with Carnegie way over here. By the early 2000s, the entire world was connected via the Internet. Below is a map showing the percentage of each country's population that was connected to the Internet in 2012. So we can see the darker shades are anywhere between 80% and 100%, whereas some lighter shades are between 0 and 20%. And as the color blue gets darker, the increase of Internet connections appear. Today, the Internet has extensive connections where it resembles the map shown below. However, as large as it is, the Internet is scalable, meaning it is measurable in size, but it can grow to meet the new demands. To get a real sense of this image, feel free to visit this website, www.thingful.net. According to the dictionary, the Internet is a global computer network providing information and communication through interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. Wikipedia states that the Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol Suite, or TCP/IP, to link devices worldwide. Notice, while the definitions are slightly different, there are two main pieces that are the same. The Internet is an interconnected network, and the Internet uses communication protocols. Let's explain this terminology a little further. The Internet is an interconnected network. Think of it as a network of networks consisting of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks, both local or global, that are linked by various types of wireless and optical electronic networking technologies. The word Internet is derived from inter in interconnected and net from network. It is a proper noun and is therefore always capitalized. The Internet uses communication protocols. Protocols are rules or procedures put in place to govern a system or affair. All devices connected on a network use the same communication protocols. For example, the diplomatic protocol or etiquette governs how diplomats should behave, and the digital protocol or rule determines how digital devices should behave when interacting with one another.